When starting a brand, you want to start with that one product and grow your brand at that point. Your brand is not only a company, but it's who you are. How you carry yourself on social media. Think about your brand as a person. You just want to not be in the way, but be in the way. That's what I feel like being tactful is. It's like, if you know your customer like nothing but orange, you need to be making nothing but orange. With fashion, one thing I learned in school, everything recirculates about 10 to 20 years. You can 9 times out of 10 predict what's about to happen next in fashion. You also want to follow up with yourself. And then also following up with people around you, like your employees, because that's how you become not only just a stronger leader, but a boss of your company, just making sure that you stay on top of things.